I don't understand the high rating for this product. I think $30 is excessive for what it is. The display is very blurry. From a distance, you can make out the numbers, but the other symbols, I can't see them unless I get really close because the plastic, it just blurs everything. I was able to set everything up, including the alarms, and find all the features without reading the manual because there are a ton of buttons, one for each thing. You have two separate alarms, but they are not digital. They are hard switched. So the alarms can only be set for Monday to Sunday, Monday to Friday, and Saturday and Sunday. You can choose to run one or both alarms. The alarms are customizable, so you can just have the light come on, light and sound come on, or the radio, and you can customize the brightness of the light, how much time the light gets brighter prior to the wake up time, and the sound of the alarm as well, the volume of the alarm. Probably the best thing about this is the lighting features.
Hi, I'm reviewing the Wake Up lamp. This is the updated version. I set it to the ocean sound so I could slowly wake up. You can see how the light gets brighter and the sound begins to intensify. There is also an antenna for the AM/FM alarm and many different settings. There's also a snooze bar.
This alarm clock is awesome. Very easy to set up. You got a couple settings here on the side, on this side, and then in the back as well. And what I really like is just when the light comes on, it comes on slowly. So it gets brighter and brighter and brighter. And it's so nice to wake up to the light rather than loud noise. You can change the colors, have some fun with it. And it's just super easy to use.